Looking for something that'll energize your kids and set them up for a fantastic future? Then stick around for the next
AweVenture!
In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share with you 3 amazing adventure ideas that you can use to give your kids fun adventures for years to come. Now be sure and stick around to the end where I give you one bonus idea that you'd be a fool to miss. I have had a lot of fun having fun adventures with my kids, planning scavenger hunt birthday parties for them, building games with them, making crazy home movies, and more. There are a lot of great adventure ideas that you can use to enrich your kids' lives and prepare them for an amazing future. Here are just 3. First, help them create a business. I have this friend who had this great idea on how he would help his kids learn how to start a business. He would give them each $10 and tell them they could create whatever business they wanted to, but the first $10 of profit had to go back to him. He had one son who decided he was going to buy a bunch of pumpkin seeds. He planted those seeds, and then, come Halloween, he made a killing. More importantly, he learned a valuable lesson on spending money on things that make you money before spending money on yourself. Another thing you can do is take your kids on a learning vacation. Are your kids interested in space? Why not take them on a trip to NASA? Is one of them interested in being a park ranger? Why not take them to a state park? There are many options to find and many low-cost options as well. If you can't travel to NASA, why not go to a local planetarium? Or why not go camping and spend the night looking up at the stars? Living a life full of adventure means finding creative solutions to challenges. Finally, you can teach your child a new skill. Now, this could be any number of things, like looking online together to figure out how to build a shed or create a garden, or looking up recipes or learning how to cook. Choosing the right thing is as simple as focusing on what your child is drawn toward. Not only will you be able to spend time together and help them improve skills they can use for a lifetime, but they'll be able to discover which things they enjoy and which they're less excited about. A little bit of trial and error at this stage will save a lot of challenge later in life. Whatever activities you choose, you can have fun and help them prepare for a wonderful future as they find where their adventure will take them. Before you go, I've got one bonus idea for you to use. If you want to do something that's just pure fun and that your kids will remember for years to come, why not try a great April Fool's prank? Now, you could throw a surprise party that no one's expecting, or you could create a short video with an alien abduction at the end. There are all kinds of possibilities. If you'd like more ideas, you can go to my website at AweVenture.com and sign up for my free ebook, 101 Adventure Ideas and Adventurous Things to Do. There's even a special section specifically targeted for a little mischief. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and share it with friends. If you have ideas for future topics you'd like to see, please add those in the comments below. If you'd like to be notified when new videos are available, such as the next video in this series, 3 Adventure Ideas for Kids, then subscribe. If you'd like more ideas on how to live an adventurous life, visit our blog at blog.aweventure.com or sign up for our free ebook. I hope you have a wonderful day full of adventure as you find where your adventure will take you.